5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, while driving, there was a cicada that flew
flipping gosh!
in the van. So my kid is really scared.
I'm here.
Cicada, come on, let's go. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my flipping god! Hey, the other cicada won't like you because you ran one over.
No, come on, cicada. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It flew away.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Where did it go?
Stop! I'm stuck!
Cicada, we're not trying to hurt you. It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you. Bye, cicada.
Yeah, I missed.
So yeah, the kids are scared.
Are you wondering how the cicada looks like? Or why they are here? Please watch this video and I will tell you why. This year in 2021 is the season for cicadas. However, this season was a bit different from what happened in 2004. In the year 2004, cicadas flying everywhere, in which it was kind of hard to drive or move because they would come at you. Or rather, it just changes in my area. Who knows? Now, what is cicada? And let's talk about it. The cicadas are a superfamily, the Cicadae of insects in the order Hemiptera or true bugs. They are in the suborder Acinurunca along with smaller jumping bugs such as leaf hoppers and frog hoppers. The superfamily is divided into two families, the Tetragartidae with 2 species in Australia and the Cicadidae with more than 3,000 species described from around the world. Many species remain undescribed. Cicadas have prominent eyes set wide apart, short antennae, and membranous front wings. They have an exceptionally loud song produced in most species by the rapid buckling and unbuckling of drum-like timbals. The earliest known fossil, Cicadomorpha, appeared in the Upper Permian period. Extant species occur all around the world in temperate to tropical climates. They typically live in trees, feeding on watery sap from silent tissue and laying their eggs in a slit in the bark. Most cicadas are cryptic. The vast majority of species are active during the day as adults, with some calling at dawn or dusk. Only a rare few species are known to be nocturnal. The annual cicadas are species that emerge every year, though the cicadas' life cycles can vary from 1 to 9 or more years as underground larvae. Their emergence above ground as adults is not synchronized, so some members of each species appear every year. Cicadas are eaten by humans in various countries, including China, where the nymphs are served deep-fried in Shandong cuisine. Cicadas are commonly eaten by birds and sometimes by squirrels, as well as bats, wasps, mantises, spiders, and rubber flies. In times of mass emergence of cicadas, various amphibians, fish, reptiles, mammals, and birds change their foraging habits so as to benefit from the glut. Newly hatched nymphs may be eaten by ants, and nymphs living underground are preyed on by burrowing mammals such as moles. In Australia, cicadas are preyed on by the Australian cicada killer wasp, which stings and stuns cicada high in the trees, making them drop to the ground, where the cicada hunter mounts and carries them. pushing with its hind legs, sometimes over a distance of 100 meters, until they can be shoved down into its burrow, where the numbed cicadas are placed onto one of many shelves in a catacomb to form the food stock for the wasp grub that grows out of the egg deposited there. One exclusively North American genus, Cicada, the periodical cicadas, which spend most of their lives as underground nymphs, emerge in predictable intervals of 13 or 17 years, depending on the species and the location. Cicadas feed on sap. They do not bite or sting in a true sense, but may occasionally mistake a person's arm for a plant limb and attempt to feed. Male cicadas produce very loud calls that can damage human hearing. Please watch the short video of how the cicadas transform. Cicadas sometimes cause damage to ornamental shrubs and trees, mainly in the form of scaring left on tree branches where the females have laid their eggs. Branches of young trees may die as a result. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more.